So here's how you can empty your mailbox on the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you open up the mail app of your choice. Most likely it's going to be the Apple Mail, and we have a few options. Of course, you can start with a manual approach. So you can literally just grab two fingers and start dragging the emails as such. When you go to the bottom, you can see that so many emails are getting selected at the same time, right? And you can just select as many as you want, tap on the trash can, and that's how you can delete the emails from the inbox, right? So that is how it would basically work. If you need a little bit more organization, you can also enable the different modes. So for example, if you don't like that everything is all like put together, some random ads or whatever, just tap on the three dots and choose from the list view to the categories. And this makes everything much easier to browse and notice because, it's separated into the like transactions, updates, promotions, and primary emails. So that is a nice way to stay on top of your things. One more thing you could also do is to go back to the like mailboxes section, tap on edit, and you can start a new mailbox, right? So if you feel like you are getting lost in those emails, you can start a new one and you can literally name it however you want. Make sure you put it into the proper location so you can put it to Gmail or iCloud or whatever you are using, and you're going to have like a completely different set of emails, which is much easier to browse again. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something more which you might be interested in, let me know about that below in the comments. I make a lot of tutorials, so it's possible I'll cover that later in the future. So subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.